I do my firecracker?
Keep it coming, keep it coming. I'm videotaping, we gotta keep it coming.
This is bad. It hurt my thumb. That is broken. Yes. Look. I burned my thumb.
Come on, Bart, come on, come on. Dang it.
I have no idea what this little car thing does. Ow.
Why is it smoking?
It's a little car. Look. Car on fire.
Hey, shall we say hi?
Oh man, I really burned my thumb.
Hi! What's up, man?
Hey, Mom.
Come on, you can do better than that. Be like, what's up?
What's up? Happy New Year.
Yep, this is my New Year's with Shelby, the GF. We've been going out now for almost 4 months, and it's been amazing, hasn't it?
Fire in the hole!
Damn, it's still going.
You might want to check on your phone. And I'm like,
Got the batch right here.
That was bad.
yeah.
Got our batch of stuff right here. Got all the good stuff right here you've been seeing.
Can I do the fire one?
Happy New
Yeah.
Year's to you.
Come here, Sean. Go.
And I'm glad you're enjoying your TV.
Be careful, Shelby.
I'll try.
Huh? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Alright.
As you can see, there's a mother and sister moment. And we got Bart right here. And here's Bart, people, with the show. Here we go!
That would have been bad if that would have lit. It's laying down. Mama.
One genius, eh?
Come on. Wait, do it too far?
Don't get burned. Well, come on, can I try this little fire thing?
Okay, I'm dropping these.
Clock's ticking, it's gonna make it long. We already got 7 minutes.
No, on this, the rough part. Don't burn your fingers.
Wow. Strobe light.
What the hell just happened?
Here, fire. What are you doing? Like two at once?
Yeah, you'll see.
But then I can try those.
These are all like individually. Can't you just
Mom,
light
can
the
I
whole
try
box
those?
on fire?
Can I try those?
These?
Yeah.
Or that? Hold on, babe.
Ah!
Oh,
Shit.
those are good.
Shelby, don't cuss.
Sorry. Oh, I want those. I want those.
Oh, you know how. Here, Shelby. You can do one.
If I do it right, it'll do. Come on, light it. Did you light the other one yet, Mom?
Okay, here we go.
It lit, but it's not catching.
Peace.
There you go. Oh, that one's pretty.
Whoa!
Mom?
Yeah?
See that open box?
Don't ever be as close to fireworks, people. I'm brave. You could have gotten killed.
Are we out of these little spinning things? No, we're not. Okay,
Do we have any that go up in the air?
Nah.
Come on, neighbors, do one up in the air.
This one should guarantee some fun. Mom, look. Come on. Right any of the other ones? Aw. You know what I'm trying to do, right?
Like the whole box?
I got it.
No, I have an idea.
I got you. Let me try one.
I got it. I did it. All right, here we go. How am I supposed to do now?
You go light, Shelby.
I'll be back up. Oh.
Oh, shit.
I don't know what that's gonna do, but
That looks cool.
I just set the whole box on fire. It's a crackling, smoldering box. Pretty. Well, that was interesting.
Mom, I really had to clean.
That one should be interesting.
Mom, I really had to clean them all, right? Mom.
Mom,
we all
there we go. Another crackling, smoldering inferno. Look.
See the red flame? See the red flame?
Yeah.
Like in the middle of it? Here, I got all 4 of these now.
Yeah?
Here, I'm twisting all these together.
Hey, Mom. Look.
There we go.
We're putting these together?
Hey, Mom.
There's Kitty, guys. Hey, Kitty.
Hi, kitty, kitty. Mom, they got in the firecracker. You remember what firework put in it?
Yeah, we don't have these.
There you go, Mom. Mom. Come on, fire, fire, fire.
This is Pyro Man right here. Bart Pyro Man. Say what's up, bro.
What's up?
Pyro Boy! And he's blowing the place up, baby.
You look like a man, eh?
Damn it.
Mom. Does this lift up? Nope.
I could burn up the glass.
No, don't burn up the glass.
What you got in mind, guys?
This is another whole box of those little fountains, Bart.
Yeah.
Just let the whole thing on fire again?
Yeah.
What are you trying to do?
You'll
So
see.
that's it? Come on.
Watch out.
The sewer one?
Mom, look. Look.
You gotta be kidding.
Oh no, Bart. Did you do it upside down?
Yep.
That's not gonna work.
Yeah, well.
It won't. The
It'll
air's
burst
coming
into-
up.
Yeah, fine. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that worked out much better.
That looked cool.
There, that's even better. Good job.
That looked cool, didn't it?
Yeah.
I just kicked it. Mom, did you see what I just tried to do? I was like, you see what I was doing, Mom? I got the fountain box. Oh, nice. Look, look. Yeah, it's smoking down. Now you want to see my finale, Mom? Two things laying down, and the 2 boxes in the middle.
This video is going to be so long, it's going to have to break down into 4 videos.
Huh?
Our fireworks show is like almost 15 minutes and 57 seconds long.
Nice. What? That one?
That's countdown one.
Should I?
I did it.
The little ones? The little
Around it?
Yeah. No, on top of it.
I don't know.
Okay, I have an idea, but I don't know if you can do it fast enough. Light up all 4 of them at once. Or at least 3. You think you could pull it off, Bart?
I gotta see something real quick.
This is going to be a spotlighted show. Don't do it sitting down. Too dangerous.
Well, I could roll.
I say around 2, 3. Maybe 4 if I'm lucky. Come on, man. Come on. Is there any way to get both?
It's fun to use fire.
It's on fire. You're trying to light both, right? Get up, get up, get up, get up! Get up!
Didn't work as planned. Huh?
It actually did.
Oh, yeah, it did. Oh!
Wow! Not done yet. Good job, Bart.
Is that all of them?
That was pretty cool.
Is that all of them?
Nope. These ones didn't light. These little ones, though, I'm gonna have a little fun with. These little tiny ones, have a little fun.
You throw them in the sewer.
Go watch. Mom, watch.
Shelby, how are you enjoying the show?
It was awesome.
You enjoyed our little moment today?
Mm-hmm.
Woo! Girl's strong, she's tough. And she just flicked
Fire
it.
enough. Happy New Year, eh? I'm going to Canada. Woo.
Here you guys go. The smoke ball for you. You want to show them? Hey people, this is the very amazing, talented Bart McSweeney with the fireworks. Pyromania dude.
Didn't work. I think I wanted to. Alright. Shelby, get me one of the twisty things. Gonna put a bunch of them in there.
Hello, this is Shelby's house. We're chilling, enjoying our New Year's together. They go real fast. Must be a bad one.
Ah, it won't work that way.
Try the other way. I wouldn't try it, you might burn yourself. Don't play with fire. Tip.
I'm not.
That one might have been ruined. You still recording?
Yeah, it's already 22 minutes. Trying to show them this amazing fireworks show inside the actual house. Oh, come on. I know this show can work. Is it able to work?
I gotta use another one, yeah.
Oh yeah, I knew that you had that. Oh shit! Can I try those?
Excuse her language, Miss Classiness.
Yeah.
Say excuse me.
Excuse me.
You know, she's having fun. I know I am. Huh.
Can I try those? Can I try the last?
Don't mind the bad matches, people.
I Fire!
Cool.
This video's gonna take it's gonna take me all night to put on Facebook.
I have to show
Just
Jeff.
cut it up.
Huh?
Just use
We have to
iMovie
be able
and
to
cut
take
it
a
up.
picture and show Jesse what
It's
this
almost
fountain's working.
23. iMovie on the Mac.
Can I try this one?
Hold on. This is annoying.
Can I take the smoke one out of it?
No, not yet. What?
Here's a whole bottle.
Okay. Yeah, just record it or put it on iMac, the file, and then just cut it down. You should be fine. Show me TV.
Oh man! No freaking way.
That was cool.
That was sick. I got 2 shows in one. Up in the air show.
Mom, come here. You want to see how talented and awesome your son is?
Oh, he's definitely talented, people.
Yeah, look. Remember that box? I'm putting it to good use. Now watch.
I love the smoke under that. That is so flippin' cool.
Look.
Yeah, I
There's
gotta
gotta
show
be a
my
way to
teacher
show
this
Jesse.
is give me
Look.
A.
Whoa! Oh my gosh!
You know it can't hurt me, right?
That is freaking awesome.
There you go.
That is awesome.
Let's say you get the smoke out.
This is the longest video I've ever done in my life.
Is there any way to show, like, take a picture and show Jesse?
Shelby's enjoying
So I
that
can
smoke.
Send it to him?
On your phone? Yeah? Just take a picture of it and then send it. Shelby, hold on.
Sorry, I've been patient.
Okay, wait for it. Okay. Yeah. Watch the smoke billow up. And see, now if I give you a science lesson, the way I put it in, it can't hurt me because my fingers are safely protected under the barrier of water while I can hold the firework. See?
I love this lesson. I love science, and I love you.
Let's see.
It's look like milk. Mom.
It does. First of all, let's get some matches that actually work. Get a match.
That's your phone?
Put it under here. Yep.
So cool.
Man, this is the longest we've ever done. I've never done a video this long in